Good evening to you. A look at some of the snow totals. Southern counties saw about a dusting to just trace amounts, and then farther north it was about an inch or so. Manhattan to Holton, and then an inch to 2 inches up farther north. Oquito up in the far northest part of Marshall County picked up about 4. Hiawatha had about 3.5. So a good amount of snow on some of those northern roads added to what was already there as well. The road condition forecast for tonight, and as you head out tomorrow morning, highways are okay right now. They're mainly dry, a little bit on the edges of some of those roads, but the main roads, city streets, and some of the main county roads, a little slow on those. There's some patchy snow still in places, a little slush here and there. The concern is really back roads and city neighborhood streets. They're still somewhat snow covered, so you'll have to go slow. I think it's certainly drivable. Just make sure you're approaching the stop signs kind of slowly so that you don't approach on that too fast with some snow on the ground all through the night into the morning tomorrow. Picked up 1/1100ths of an inch of liquid out of 1.1 inches of snow in Topeka. Currently at 11 degrees. It's already down to 3 at Hiawatha, 3 at Marysville, 11 in Manhattan, and 16 at Emporia. The skies have been clearing north to south. The winds are letting up from north to south. Still a light wind out there out of the north, but those winds will become calm, and as they become calm, the wind chill will be a little less of a concern. That's good news because right now it's 6 below zero, Hiawatha and Marysville, and 1 above in Topeka. Wind chills will become less of a factor, but as that sky clears during the overnight period for all areas, that sets us up for some cold weather across northeast Kansas. It'll be clear and very cold for tonight. That'll give way to sunshine tomorrow. It'll still be a bit chilly. Winds will return out of the south, and eventually over the next few days, a southerly wind will continue, and a much warmer weekend ahead of us with south and southwest breezes heading closer to the weekend. We'll take a look at that on Future Track. You see, tomorrow at 3 o'clock, temperatures are nearing the freezing mark northeast and exceeding it southwest up into the middle 30s from Junction City to Emporia and Burlington. By Friday morning, it won't be as cold, only falling back into the 20s to around 30 early Friday, and then warming up. The southwest breezes kick in on Friday. Temperatures will climb into the middle to upper 50s, maybe a little cooler north and northeast. A little more snow has to melt away there first. But then look at how much warmer will be for Saturday. Looking ahead into the weekend, we'll start out in the 30s Saturday morning, so already getting a little head start temperature-wise. And with south and southwest winds, upper 60s, and even the southwestern, almost third to half of the area will be into the low 70s, and even some 60s up north, where you've got some snow to melt away in Marshall and Nemaha and Brown counties, but that should be on the way out as we head into the weekend. A look at that weekend forecast, much warmer. 68 on Saturday, 65 on Sunday, and lots of sunshine. We get rewarded with a beautiful weekend ahead of us. After 4 degrees tomorrow morning, northern counties may dip below zero tonight into the morning. 32 degrees for Thursday afternoon, and then Friday, breezy and 58. There's that warm weekend, and even as we cool back next week, we'll still be looking at high temperatures holding in the 50s, low 50s Monday. We jump to upper 50s Tuesday, back down to lower 50s once again on Wednesday.